just going to do a quick demonstration of our Suttner U Lances. One is featuring 2 turbo nozzles, which is excellent for dirty concrete and curbs and can save you a lot of time. And the shorter version has been adapted to be able to have 2 rinse nozzles on there, or you could attach 2 foam heads for greater foam coverage. It's important to get the correct size nozzles when using a U Lance. So if your machine normally runs with an 06 nozzle, for example, you'll need to half this and put 2 or 3 nozzles onto the lance.